Union Home Minister Amit Shah today spoke to Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and took stock of the situation in the state. Mr. Shah assured all possible support to restore peace in the state. Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya reviews food street project to develop 100 healthy hygienic food streets across the country. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar held meetings with SCO Secretary General Zhang Ming. Dr. Jaishankar appreciated his support for India's SCO's presidency and added that India's presidency is driven by a commitment to secure the SCO. India registers over 3,900 new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. In IPL cricket, Sunrisers Hyderabad will take on Kolkata Knight Riders in Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Hyderabad at 7:30 p.m.